Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. Today is 1st of January 2026. Happy New Year to everyone. Wishing you all a prosperous year ahead. So we're back to our winning ways again. Today we'll be dropping 3 strategies across all the channels, and here we're going to be trading the Volatility 131x rise and fall, and we're going to be scalping the markets, meaning we're not going to be waiting till the trade ends before we sell. So we are on the D trader interface, and once you log into your trading account, you're gonna go to Volatility 31x, and you go to the indicator there, go to momentum, click on MACD, you'll see it right here. So we're gonna click on fall here. This is what I'm waiting for. There has to be 3 bars, and this has to be pushing right up. Then you click on fall right there. So we're going to be selling at market once we hit reasonable amount. So go to the trade type, rise and fall, click on it, then set the durations to 8 minutes, then set the amount you want to be staking right there. So like I stated earlier, we're going to be selling at market. When we hit maybe $3, $4, we're going to sell immediately. So how this works is this: we're going to be watching the MACD. Once there are 4 bars or 3 bars right above the line here, just like this, there has to be 3 green bars, and this has to be going right up. Then you click on 4. So then you're going to be selling at market when this hits reasonable amount. 1 point something, I'm waiting for 3 or 4 right there so I can sell at market. So 3 bars like this, then it has to be going up. This is spot where you place your trade. You click on 4. Once you see this and this is pushing right up, you click on 4. 3 or 4 bars, green bars. Click on 4. You can see right here. And this has to be pushing right up, just like this. Just like this. 3 bars, 3 green bars, you click on 4. And the bars has to be just above the line. You can see the line that bars below, it has to be above, just like this one. So I want to place another trade there. You can see right there, this is going up, this is green. So both will be sold when they're in profit. So this first one is the second one, just to show you guys when to place your trade. So this is the time count for the first trade and the second trade here right here. So our second trade, we're going to close any moment from now. Just want you to hit 4. Okay, so we saw that second trade at 5.20 right there. We close that one. So we're going to close the first trade any moment from now. Four. So we closed the second trade at 4.23. I mean the first trade at 4.23. The second trade at 5 point something. So we made about $10 right there. So that's how it works. So make sure you check before you place your trade. And for those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, we're still giving it away for free. Some trades are ongoing there, some are in profit, but we're online. I'm going to close them manually when they hit reasonable amount. So to get this indicator and other instructions, you need to get the Toss Keeper boat, which is just 9.99 USD, and the Pip Stripper boat 7.99 USD, and all are free gifts. All the infos are in the video description on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels. So to get the indicator, sign up for a free trading account using this link right here. Subscribe to all the channels there, the 3 channels in the link in the video description. Send an email with the subject free indicator with the last 3 digits of your account to that email address. Once you confirm your sign up, we'll send the indicator for free. For those who already have an account, you can order the indicator here for $12. And for the Pip Stripper boat and the Toss Keeper boat, the links to order them are right there in the video description on YouTube. For those who don't have a trading account, sign up for a trading account using this link to test all the strategies and demo before you go live. Those are the links to subscribe to our channels right there. Check the video description. There are other infos right there in the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.